Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a strawberry banana Seamoss smoothie, and we're going to start by adding in our oat milk. You can choose any flavor. I chose original, and then I added 4 ounces to be specific. I then made sure that I had a cut up banana. I only used half, and then I also added the banana with the strawberries, probably like 4 to 6 maybe. And I made sure to cut those in 4s, and I added in the Seamoss. So what Seamoss is, it is a supplement that actually helps you with your immunity. It helps with for men it's aphrodisiac, and for women it helps with your thyroid as well. And I added the whole pouch, and then I added the fruit because I wanted to blend that as a liquid prior to me adding in any other ingredients. And so I then went and I added my I use frozen yogurt for a more depth flavor and a more richness in my flavors as well. And it's about like 3/4 of a cup, and I blend it all together, and it comes out as a perfect smoothie. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and share button. And to get your very own Seamoss, click the link in the subscription area below.